Non-governmental organizations or the NGOs are actively involved in the social welfare and in the social justice administration in India. Now, these organizations are independent of the government control and they operate with the objective of addressing various social issues along with promoting social welfare as well for the advocacy of the social justice in India. Now, NGOs in India are driven by the mission of creating a more equitable as well as more inclusive society. Now, the NGOs often operates at the grassroots levels where they have a deep understanding, of the local context as well as the needs of the local people and community they serve. Now, they work towards empowering the marginalized and the vulnerable population and also aims to ensure that they have the awareness about their rights and also work towards their well-beings and also for the bridging the gap in access to the essential resources as well as to access to the opportunities. Now, when we talk about the NGOs that are working for the social welfare in India, the first one we have is the Smile Foundation. Now, the Smile Foundation was established in the year 2002. Now, this foundation works for the welfare of children along with their families. Now, they provide the various services or essentials to the social services for the children. For example, the educational services, the healthcare services, along with the livelihood support for the children, for the unprivileged children, livelihood support for the unprivileged children, and also empowers the women. Through various programs and initiatives for the skill development and also for their income generation. Now, the next one we have is the Goonj. Now, this Goonj, that is also a organization which was established in 1999. Now, it focuses on addressing the basic needs for the marginalized communities. Now, they collect and distribute clothing along with sanitary pads and other essentials to the individuals in need, and especially during the time of disasters and in emergencies. Now, the next is the Akshaya Patra Foundation. Now, this foundation was established in the year 2000. Now, the aim of this foundation is to eliminate the classroom hunger. Now, their program not only improve the children's nutritional status by providing the midday meal, services to the children, but also to encourage the children to attend the school regularly. The next one we have is the Help Age India. Now, this was established in the year 1978 and it works for the betterment of the elderly citizens and advocates for their rights as well as for the dignity of the senior citizens. And the last NGO that works for the social welfare in India is the major organization is the Prayas. Now, this Prayas was founded in the year 1988 that focuses on child rights and their welfare. Now, they provide the shelter for the children in need, also helps in accessing the educational qualification and also the rehabilitation rehabilitation services for the children in need, particularly those who are living in the streets or in the challenging circumstances. Now, the various NGOs are also working for the social justice in India. The first one we have is the Amnesty International India. Now, this was founded in the year 2012. Now, it is a part of the global movement. It is a part of the global movement that advocates for the human rights and also to promote the advocacy for the social justice. Now, they work, that is this international Amnesty International India, that this NGO works to combat the human rights violations, also promotes the justice, and also to raise the awareness, about the pressing social issues. The next one we have is the Center for Social Justice, that is CSJ. Now, it was established in the year 1997. It focuses on the legal advocacy, and also for the policy research to advocate social justice. Now, they work on various issues such as access to justice, land rights, women rights, and the rights of the marginalized community. Now, the next is the Nav Sarjan